Begi Netetin goal contribution. Vimba nametropolum pakati GTZ pakati boxini sebenza lapha-ke Brendan Peterson ukulwakisa amaphoyisa abonakele Mtarame right over ifetha onside pakati boxini indoda Peterson sebenza Brendan Peterson vimba lapha-ke iyanela izokutshela-ke futhi ngamanye amadabi phakamisa John Hochon phakathi boxini Injebe uyathumela Brendan Peterson 10-1 Injebe fetha Mufukeng right over ifetha sibilibili nalithuba siphaka bufa Brendan Peterson ebamselena lapha ku-GTZ General Chata zonke Msimango bevimba lapha-ke iqembu le-Orlando Pirates Injebe ukona ukuthi-ke kunqoba iqembu lasekhaya lapha-ke ibhola le-Orlando Pirates nalithuba Injebe sebenza Brendan Peterson sibilibili Mosha Sopatala phakathi eboxini Injebe uthi yabuya futhi ebone lapha-ke apholi umdlalo-ke ngesandla nathi ijuba-ke manje lakhe-ke uJohn Hocho uyafika na Injebe akubheka nje ngeshelela ngakoshini wenkani Brendan Peterson
Yo, what's up? I am the owner and founder of Charity Podcast. Guys, please, for highlights, match updates, and result, please like and subscribe. I'm the man behind the camera, showing you results, how Kaizer Chiefs played, giving you results, highlights, and updates. So if you want highlights and updates about Kaizer Chiefs, please like and subscribe, and then when I post, it will update you automatically. Please like and subscribe.